Services Terms of Use, last updated, 30th of April, 2021. This is an agreement between you and Amazon Digital Services LLC, with its affiliates, Amazon or we. Please read these Amazon Services Terms of Use, the Amazon.com Privacy Notice, the Amazon.com Conditions of Use, and the other applicable rules, policies, and terms available at the Amazon.com website, or on or through the Amazon software, collectively, this agreement, before using the Amazon services on a product. By using the Amazon services, you agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement on behalf of yourself and all members of your household and others who use Amazon services under your account. If you do not accept the terms of this agreement, then you may not use the Amazon services and you may return your product in accordance with any applicable return policy. Your use of any of the Amazon services is subject to any additional rules, policies, and terms that apply to those Amazon services. For the purpose of these Amazon Services Terms of Use, Amazon Services means the provision of Amazon software, digital content, and support and other services that we provide product users. Amazon software means all software we make available to you for use on a product, but excludes third-party digital content. Digital content means digitized content, including third-party content, such as videos, music, apps, games, skills, photos, audio, books, newspapers, magazines, and related features and functionality. Product means the Fire TV device that is developed and manufactured by a third party and enables access to Amazon services. 1. Amazon Services, Amazon Software, A. Use of Amazon services on a product. To use certain Amazon services on a product, you must have your own Amazon.com account, be logged into your account on the product, and have a valid payment method associated with your account. B. Use of the Amazon software. Except as provided in this section, you may use the Amazon software only on your product. For additional terms that apply to the Amazon software, see the additional Amazon software terms contained in the Amazon.com Conditions of Use and the terms contained in the legal section of the settings menu of the Amazon services on your product or the Amazon Fire TV remote app. Amazon software licensed under an open source license is governed solely by the terms of that open source license. C. Voice services. Your product may have features that allow you to access Alexa voice services or perform certain tasks, such as control your product, perform a search, check the weather, or operate other connected products. When you use voice services, we process your voice input and other information, such as location, in the cloud to respond to your requests and to improve your experience and our services. Your use of Alexa is subject to the Alexa Terms of Use, www.amazon.com/alexa/terms. Learn more about Alexa voice services and how it works at www.amazon.com/alexa/voice, including how to delete voice recordings associated with your account. 2. Connectivity and availability. A. Internet connectivity. Amazon services may require an internet connection from a third-party provider in order to use some features. In such cases, your internet connection is subject to the fees, restrictions, terms and limitations imposed by your provider. B. Availability. Some Amazon services may be unavailable, vary, by product or geography, for example, be offered for a limited time, or require separate subscriptions. 3. General. A. Information received. The Amazon software may provide us with information about your product, use of the product, and use of digital content, other content, and the Amazon services, such as search queries, installed applications, viewing and usage data, available memory, log files, network diagnostics, voice information, and connectivity. Manufacturers of your product may also provide us with similar information. Information provided to Amazon may be processed in the cloud to improve your experience and our services, and may be stored on servers outside the country in which you live. We will handle any information we receive in accordance with the Amazon.com privacy notice. Please visit the settings menu of your product if you prefer to opt out of providing certain information. B. Information provided to others. You are responsible for any information you provide to others, including third-party digital content providers. Use of information you provide to these third parties will be subject to any privacy notice or other terms that they may provide to you. C. Changes to Amazon services, amendments. We may change, suspend, or discontinue the Amazon services, or any part of them, at any time without notice. We may amend any of this agreement's terms at our sole discretion by posting the revised terms on the Amazon.com website. Your continued use of Amazon services after the effective date of the revised agreement constitutes your acceptance of the terms. D. Termination. Your rights under this agreement will automatically terminate without notice if you fail to comply with any of its terms. In case of such termination, Amazon may immediately revoke your access to the Amazon services. Amazon's failure to insist upon or enforce your strict compliance with this agreement will not constitute a waiver of any of its rights. E. Disputes. Any dispute or claim arising from or relating to this agreement, a product, the Amazon software, or the Amazon services is subject to the dispute resolution, governing law, disclaimer of warranties, limitation of liability, and all other terms in the Amazon.com conditions of use. F. Disclaimer of warranties and limitation of liability. Products are developed and manufactured by third parties, and we have no responsibility or liability for any aspect of products except the Amazon services. Without limiting the disclaimer of warranties and limitation of liability terms in the Amazon.com conditions of use, unless otherwise required by applicable law, in no event will our licensors aggregate liability with respect to any claim arising from or related to this agreement or your use of the Amazon services exceed $50. G. Contact information. For help with the Amazon services, digital content, Amazon software, or resolving other related issues, please contact customer service at www.amazon.com/contact us/. Amazon Prime Terms and Conditions, last updated May 11, 2021. Welcome to the Terms and Conditions, terms, for Amazon Prime. These terms are between you and Amazon.com Services LLC and or its affiliates, Amazon.com or us, and govern our respective rights and obligations. Please note that your use of the Amazon.com website and Prime membership are also governed by the agreements listed and linked to below, as well as all other applicable terms, conditions, limitations, and requirements on the Amazon.com website, all of which, as changed over time, are incorporated into these terms. If you sign up for a Prime membership, you accept these terms, conditions, limitations and requirements. Conditions of use, Amazon.com Privacy Notice, Amazon Video Terms of Use, Amazon Music Terms of Use, Amazon Photos Terms of Use, Kindle Store Terms of Use, Membership Cancellation. If you signed up for your Prime membership directly through us, you may cancel your Prime membership anytime by visiting your account and adjusting your membership settings. If you cancel within 3 business days of signing up for or converting from a free trial to a paid membership, we will refund your full membership fee, provided that we may charge you, or withhold from your refund, the value of Prime benefits used by you and your account during this 3 business day period. If you cancel at any other time, we will refund your full membership fee only if you and your account did not make any eligible purchases or take advantage of Prime benefits since your latest Prime membership charge. If you signed up for your Prime membership through a third party, you may need to contact the third party to cancel your membership or receive any refund under its applicable policies. Prime memberships redeemed through a Prime gift code or promotional code are not refundable. Shipping benefits and eligible purchases. Prime shipping benefits depend upon inventory availability, order deadlines, and in some cases the shipping address. They are limited to certain products sold by Amazon.com, or third-party sellers participating in Prime, on the Amazon.com website, and to certain products on third-party websites that offer Prime shipping benefits. Products eligible for Prime will be designated as such on their product pages. Some special product, order, handling fees, and/or taxes may still apply to eligible purchases. If only some items in your order are eligible for Prime, you will pay applicable shipping charges for the ineligible items. Changing or combining orders, or changing your shipping address, speed, or preferences might affect Prime eligibility. Certain purchases may only be entitled to standard shipping because of their size, weight, and other shipping characteristics. We may exclude products with special shipping characteristics at our discretion. The Prime section of our help pages provides information about eligible items, shipping cost, shipping speed, and shipping destinations. Other benefits and supplemental memberships. Click here for information about additional Prime benefits. We also offer Prime members supplemental memberships, which are subject to these terms, require you to be a Prime member, and may have additional fees and terms. As used in these terms, Prime applies to all supplemental memberships. Click here for more information about supplemental memberships. Other limitations. We reserve the right to accept or refuse membership in our discretion. We may send you email and other communications related to Prime and your Prime membership, regardless of any settings or preferences related to your Amazon account. You may not transfer or assign your Prime membership or any Prime benefits, including promotion codes for Prime memberships or benefits, except as allowed in these terms. Prime members are not permitted to purchase products for the purpose of resale, rental, or to ship to their customers or potential customers using Prime benefits. Some Prime benefits may require certain purchase thresholds, have quantity or shipping address limitations, or require members to meet specified criteria in order to access them. From time to time, Amazon may choose in its sole discretion to add or remove Prime membership benefits. Fees and renewal. The membership fee for Prime is stated in the Prime section of our help pages. From time to time, we may offer different membership terms, and the fees for such membership may vary. The Prime membership fee is non-refundable except as expressly set forth in these terms. Taxes may apply on either or both of the membership fee and the reduced shipping charges for Prime. If you sign up for your Prime membership through us and are billed by us, then the billing terms described below will apply to your membership. If all eligible payment methods we have on file for you are declined for payment of your membership fee, you must provide us a new eligible payment method promptly or your membership will be cancelled. If you provide us with a new eligible payment method and are successfully charged, your new membership period will be based on the original renewal date and not the date of the successful charge. Unless you notify us before a charge that you want to cancel or do not want to auto-renew, you understand your Prime membership will automatically continue and you authorize us, without notice to you, unless required by applicable law, to collect the then applicable membership fee and any taxes, using any eligible payment method we have on record for you. If you signed up for your Prime membership through a third party and are not billed directly by us, then the billing terms provided by the third party will apply to your membership. Promotional trial and qualification-based memberships. We sometimes offer certain customers various trial or other promotional memberships, which are subject to these terms except as otherwise stated in the promotional offers. Trial members may at any time, through your account, choose not to continue to paid membership at the end of the trial period. If you sign up for a qualification-based Prime membership, including but not limited to Prime Student and Prime for qualifying EBT and government assistance recipients, you will receive certain Prime benefits for the reduced rate specified in the Prime section of our help page. To sign up for and use a qualification-based Prime membership, you must meet the eligibility conditions described on the applicable enrollment page and provide any required documentation. Agreement changes. We may in our discretion change these terms, Amazon.com's conditions of use and privacy notice, or any aspect of Prime membership, without notice to you. If any change to these terms is found invalid, void, or for any reason unenforceable, that change is severable and does not affect the validity and enforceability of any remaining changes or conditions. Your continued membership after we change these terms constitutes your acceptance of the changes. If you do not agree to any changes, you must cancel your membership. Termination by us. We may terminate your Prime membership at our discretion without notice. If we do so, we will give you a prorated refund based on the number of full months remaining in your membership. However, we will not give any refund for termination related to conduct that we determine, in our discretion, violates these terms or any applicable law, involves fraud or misuse of the Prime membership, or is harmful to our interests or another user. Our failure to insist upon or enforce your strict compliance with these terms will not constitute a waiver of any of our rights. Limitation of liability. In addition to other limitations and exclusions in Amazon.com's conditions of use, our total liability, whether in contract, warranty, tort, including negligence, or otherwise, will not exceed the last membership fee you paid. This limitation of liability will apply to the fullest extent permitted by law and will survive cancellation or termination of your Prime membership. Disputes. Any dispute or claim relating in any way to these terms or your use of Prime will be adjudicated in the state or federal courts in King County, Washington, and you consent to exclusive jurisdiction and venue in these courts. We each waive any right to a jury trial.